Okay, so for Devin and other people that aren't here, okay, let me explain. So when you're putting in that YouTube video set for the Renee Fink on the back of a stranger's bicycle, you're going to go up here to sources and you're going to add new. When you choose what type, you're going to choose a film or video recording. Okay. Then it's going to ask you several things. First of all, we got this from a website. We do not have it, on a DVD or anything like that. Okay. Video clip on YouTube is cited a little bit differently. That's okay. So name of container website. Like what website contains this? YouTube. Okay. Publisher of the site, I guess, would be Google because Google owns YouTube. Okay. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, so once you have picked for your news source something that you viewed or heard live, you viewed it yourself, right? And it's a film or video recording, you start putting stuff in. So name of the container website is YouTube. Publisher of that whole website is Google. You'll put in this link. Now I know you guys have it embedded in Canvas. You can, just pull it up in a separate tab and find that URL, outside of Canvas. Okay. Then for most recent date of access, like if you watch those today or if you watch them like let's say last Thursday. So I'm going to put in November and then that would have been the 12th, right? 2020. Maybe was the day that I watched those. Okay. Special feature or extra, we don't know any of that. Specifically for an interview, I guess for role, I don't know the director or anything like that, so I'm not going to necessarily put a name or anything. Emphasis on the contribution of, and I'm not going to put anything there. Film or video recording. Yeah, down here at film or video recording, contributors, you want to choose narrator, and Renee Fink is that lady's name. I actually got to meet her last year in November. She is a survivor that is still living, and she lives here in North Carolina, and I got to meet her at a teacher's workshop. It was really cool. Okay, so then if we scroll down, it asks us for title of film or video, and the title of that little series is called On the Back of a Stranger's Bicycle. Okay, notice where it's capitalized, the first letter, but then you don't capitalize any of the like 3-letter or shorter words. So the O, the B, the S, and the B are capitalized, but the other ones are not. Okay. Studio or distributor, the people that put this together is the Holocaust Speakers Bureau. There's a whole group of Holocaust survivors that are still alive and go and speak at events, especially for like, schools and things. So they recorded this one, Holocaust Speakers Bureau, and they did it back in 2015 because of this problem of, all these survivors are getting old. They're in their 80s and 90s, and a lot of them are passed away. They want to record and save all this information from these people's lives. The date on the website is the date that you viewed it. So did you view it last Thursday? Did you view it today? Did you view it? Date of last access is the date that you viewed it. Okay. Don't put anything for annotation. Keep it checked with include and final sources, and then just hit